It's the flowers from the hibiscus. Look at it dried out and stuff, but this stuff is good. You have to take down diabetes and all that kind of stuff like that.
You can't be giving no medical advice over here.
I'm not giving it, I say help.
You bring down your blood pressure and sugar and everything.
Blood pressure and all that kind of stuff. This was set overnight. Now I'm straining it and ball it off. Put it in a bottle. And this is what I get. I get this. This. So I just got to wash those off and get them out of there. You can't stain up these people color because they're going to kill me. You got some wine. See, it's wine. Look, look, look. Wine. Look, don't come be piping notes up here. I can get out of that, see? Don't worry about it. Come in and show me stuff. Okay? Alright. Now you can dump the trash. Wash it out.
After Joe bottled his hibiscus drink, we went on a ride, so I'm hanging back because he wanted me to film so you guys can see him show off on his bike. So he's got really great balance, and he can ride with one hand. He can not hold the handles at all. Look at this guy sleeping on the ground, guys. So I wanted to show you guys how fast the traffic comes, and we have to wait even though we have the green light because we're not sure if they're going to stop. Sometimes they don't stop. So see, one hand, no hand. Look, Ma, no hands. I'm showing you that I can barely ride with holding the handles with both hands. So we're at the end, on this end of the trail. This is going east. This is where it ends. This bridge is supposed to be a replica of a bridge in Italy, I think. It's called the Rialto Bridge. So now on the way back, I told him that I want him to set up a second camera that I have so that we can do some interesting shots for you guys. Usually I'm the one that sets the camera down when we're doing this because I double check to make sure that I start the record button, but he promised me he was gonna double check. So he says, you wait there. I have another camera going on my bike handle. So now he's walking back towards me, and then he's gonna get on his bike, and then we're gonna ride together. See, we're gonna start now. See that this is the camera that he just set on the ground. So now we're gonna just come towards this camera. I wanted him to go more on the left, but he stayed with me on the right. So now that we have to stop, and then he came back for the camera. And now we're going to continue until we get out a shot. So it's the coming and the going for this shot right here. Now he's across this crosswalk here, and he's putting the camera on this thing that shows the street sign. Well, the street name actually. And now he's coming towards me, so he's coming east towards me. See, he had to wait because a car was coming, but then the car stopped. So I'm on the other side. Here he is. And now he joins me, and then we both take off going west. And this is my point of view. and then he's gonna stop and go get the camera, and then I finally stop to wait for him. He's setting it up yet again. He's having quite a bit of fun with this today, but normally he doesn't like to do the setups. He'd rather me do it. So here comes both of us. I don't know why we're not wearing helmets today. This is like the first time that we went without our helmets. So now he's putting the bike on the bike rack that my sister gave us.